Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can search up for videos on TikTok PC, so make sure you follow my steps in the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you will see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see search bar at top. You simply need to click over there and we can search any videos as you want. Let's say memes. Now enter it. And now finally you will be able to see the video option. So once you click over there, you'll be directed to the video section where you can see lots of memes over here. So basically this is how you can search out for videos on TikTok PCs. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.